Is your money truly working for you? Or is it simply sitting in a bank account, accumulating minimal interest while you navigate a maze of hidden fees and outdated services? For decades, traditional banks have been the undisputed giants of finance, but a new challenger has emerged, promising a smarter, more intuitive way to manage your money, Monzo. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate financial showdown, Monzo versus traditional banks. Which one truly offers the best experience for your hard-earned cash? Let's set the stage. On one side, we have the established behemoths, think your high street banks, institutions with centuries of history, grand physical branches, and a reputation for stability. On the other, we have Monzo, a digital-first, app-based bank that's rapidly gained millions of users with its promise of transparency, convenience, and cutting-edge features. This isn't just about where you store your money, it's about how you interact with it, understand it, and ultimately, grow it. For many, the familiarity of a traditional bank is a comfort. You can walk into a branch, speak to a human, and feel the tangible presence of a financial institution. These banks offer a comprehensive suite of services, mortgages, complex loans, business accounts, investment advice, often under one roof. They have a long-standing history, which for some, translates to a greater sense of security. You know the drill: opening hours, queues, paper statements, and sometimes, a feeling that your bank account is a black box of transactions and charges. But then came Monzo, born from the digital revolution. They ripped up the traditional banking rulebook, starting with a mobile-first approach. No sprawling branch networks, no mountains of paperwork. Everything is managed through a sleek, intuitive app on your smartphone. This inherent digital nature allows Monzo to move faster, innovate quicker, and offer features that traditional banks are still struggling to integrate seamlessly. So, where do we begin our comparison? Let's start with the most tangible difference: fees and charges. This is often where the real battle lies. Traditional banks are notorious for their sometimes opaque fee structures. We're talking about monthly maintenance fees, overdraft charges, foreign transaction fees, ATM withdrawal fees if you step outside their network, even fees for simply receiving foreign currency. These can quickly eat into your balance, often without you even realizing it until you scrutinize your statement. Monzo, on the other hand, prides itself on transparency. Their basic current account is free, with no monthly fees. When it comes to international spending, Monzo offers highly competitive exchange rates and often no foreign transaction fees for card payments, and fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit, currently £200 to £400 every 30 days depending on whether it's your main account or where you are in the world. Exceeding that limit incurs a 3% fee. For international transfers, they leverage services like Wise, offering clear upfront fees, typically a fixed fee plus a variable percentage. This clarity is a breath of fresh air for many who feel nickel-and-dimed by traditional banks. While Monzo does have some fees for specific services, like receiving euros or getting replacement cards after a couple of free ones, their overall structure is significantly simpler and generally more favorable for everyday use, especially for those who travel or make international payments. Next, let's talk about customer service and accessibility. For traditional banks, customer service often involves a trip to a branch during specific hours, a phone call with potentially long wait times, or navigating a complex website. While many traditional banks have improved their digital offerings with online banking and chat support, the emphasis often remains on in-person interactions for more complex issues. The human touch can be reassuring, but it often comes at the cost of immediate access. Monzo, true to its digital roots, offers 24/7 in-app chat support with real people. This means you can get help wherever you are, whenever you need it, directly from your phone. They also offer phone support, but their in-app chat is their strong suit, and user reviews often praise the speed and helpfulness of their support team. This bank-in-your-pocket approach means unparalleled convenience. You can freeze your card instantly if it's lost or stolen, report suspicious transactions, and manage most aspects of your account without ever needing to speak to someone, though the option is there if you prefer. This immediate control is a significant advantage in today's fast-paced world. Now, let's explore features and tools. This is where Monzo truly shines and traditional banks have been playing catch-up. Traditional banks offer the core banking functionalities: current accounts, savings accounts, loans, credit cards. They've recently invested heavily in mobile apps, offering features like mobile check deposits, balance checks, and basic transfers. However, their apps can sometimes feel like a digital overlay on an older system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.